Dear students, welcome to our class. Today we are going to our continuation of the last class. Please take your textbook and listen the grammar portion. Okay, page number 12. Tick the sound of these animals. All animals are produce some sounds. We get some sounds of animals. Okay, we get some sound of animals. First one, please tick the sound of animals, correct bracket. Okay, okay, cow. Cow, do you know the cow? Yes, cow. The sound of cow is cows. The sound of cows is M. O. O. The sound of cow is Next one, cat. Please tick the correct box. First one is the answer. The sound of the cow is The first one is the answer. A is the answer. Okay? Okay. Next one, cats. Cats. What is the sound of the cat? Okay, okay. Meow. What is the sound of cat? Meow. Yes. M-E-W. Meow. The answer is B. Meow. Next one is sound of monkeys. What is the sound of monkeys? The sound producing monkey is known as chatter. Chatter, chatter, chatter. Okay. Third one, monkeys. Monkeys. The sound producing monkeys is chatter. C-H-A-T-T-R. Chatter. Okay. All of you tick? Yes. The fourth one is owl. Owl is a bird. Yes. Owl. Okay, owls. The sound of owl is hoot. Hoot. What is the sound of owl? Hoot. H-O-O-T. Hoot. Yes. Next, the sound of lion. Fifth and last one is the sound of lion. Okay. Roar. The sound of lion is roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. Okay. Please listen. The sound of cow is The sound of cat is meow. The sound of monkey is chatter. The sound of owl is hoot. The sound of lion is roar. Okay. Yes. All of you, please tick the correct boxes. First one is A. Second one is B. Third one is B. Fourth one is C. Fifth one is A. Okay? Okay. Okay. Next, listen and speak. I read out some words. And listen carefully and circle the words you hear. Circle the words you hear. First one is clock, sock. Which word is here? Clock. Yes. Clock is circle. Okay, all of you finish? Yes. Which word is here? Yes, clock. First one is circle the clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Clock, circle. Next, second one, pull, fold. Pull is circle. P-U-L-L. Pull. Next, set, sat. Set is circle. Set. Okay. Next one is bands, hands. Okay. Hands is circles. Fifth one, bell, ball. Which word is here? Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Okay, next, book, look. Yes, sixth one is book. Okay. Okay. Next, work with your partner and take turns to ask each other things. Okay. Please try to do this work on your home. Okay, at your home. Okay. Next one, page number 13. Read this word. Tick words that can be read from both left and right to left. Some words have the same spelling from left to right and right to left. Example, ma'am. How to read it? Ma'am. Ma'am. Not read it madam. The correct pronunciation is ma'am. Okay? Yes. Next word. Dart. D-A-Dart. Dart. The spelling of this word is same as left to right and right to left. Okay? Next, did. Did. Next, noon. Okay, please take these words on your textbook. Next, beyond the lessons. Have you heard the Peter Pan? The story of Peter Pan? Please collect the more about informations the Peter Pan and discuss in the WhatsApp group. Okay, or our English group. Okay. 14, worksheet 2. We get some sentences with out of order. Please rearrange the words, make a complete sentence. Please rearrange these words and complete the sentence. First, man, the driving car is a. How to rearrange in the correct form? How to rearrange this correct form? Yes, first of all, we write the subject. Here, the subject is the man. Here, the subject is the man. Okay, next, the verb, the action word. Write the action word. Here, the action word is driving. Okay, next word is the car. Car is the object. Okay, okay, please listen and try to write. Okay, man, the driving car is hay. How to write this in the correct, these words in the correct order and complete the sentence. Okay, first of all, the man, the man is driving a car. Okay, the man is driving a car. We get the sentence in the out of order, we arrange in the correct form. Man, the driving car is A. How to rearrange this sentence? The man is driving a car. The man is driving a car. Okay, next one. Catch the was morning class in the. How to rearrange this word? The class was catch in the morning. The class was catch in the morning. Yes. The class was catch, Q-U-I-E-T, catch in morning, in the morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, in the morning. We write in the sentences, start with a capital letter and put a full stop at the ending. Okay, put the full stop at the sentence ending. Okay. Okay, next one, story A wrote I yesterday. Story A wrote I yesterday. Okay, third one, subject is I. I wrote, R-O-T-E, wrote a story yesterday. Story yesterday. Okay. Okay. Next, baked cake father am I. Baked cake father am I. Here the subject is my father. My father baked a cake. My father my father baked, B-A-K-E-D, baked a cake, C-A-K-E, baked a cake. Last one, puppies many are the room in the. Puppies many are the room in the. How to write it? There are many puppies in the room. There are many puppies in the room. There are many puppies. P-U-P-P-I-E-S. Puppies in the R-O-O-M, room. Puppies in the room. Okay. Okay. Please listen. The man is driving a car. The man is driving a car. Second one, the class was quiet in the morning. The class was quiet in the morning. I wrote, third one, I wrote a story yesterday. I wrote a story yesterday. My father baked a cake. My father baked a cake. There are many puppies in the room. There are many puppies in the room. Okay, all of you write on your textbook and notebook. Okay. Next one, match the animals with their shadows. Yes, we studied the shadows in the last chapter. Please match the animal shadow with a lines. Okay, match the animal shadows with the lines. Okay, all of you. Next, page number 44. Please take your page number 44. Okay, in the last class we studied about the singular noun and plural noun. Okay, in the last class we studied about the singular noun and plural noun. Singular means single name. Plural means many. We add s or es to the singular noun to form the plural noun. Okay, we add s or es to the singular noun to make the plural nouns. Okay, 44 exercise F also we finished. Okay, exercise G. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. We get the answer in the brackets. Please put the answer and write on this filling blank portions. Okay. First one, Ronnie is a blue shirt. Ronnie has a blue shirt. Okay, all of you finish this work? Okay, first one, Ronnie. R-O-N-Y. Ronnie has a blue shirt. Blue dash. Shirt or shirt? Shirt or shirts? Here A means denote. Here please listen. Ronnie has a blue shirt. A blue shirt. Here this letter A denotes the singular. One. Singular. So Ronnie has a. A means singular noun. Okay. Has a. Here we write the singular noun. Okay. Here a means singular noun. We want to singular noun in the blank portion. Okay. This a denote. You wants to singular noun on the write on the black portion. Okay. Here the singular noun shirts or shirt? Yes, shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. Okay. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Okay. Second one. Fana was playing with two dolls or doll. Here the two denote the two is many or plural. Next one, Fana was playing with two dash. Fana was playing with two dash. Here not the two, number two. Two denotes the many, more than one. More than one means plural. Yes. So we write the doll or dolls. Yes, dolls. Okay. Fana was playing with two dolls. Okay, playing with the two dolls. Okay. Okay. Next one. A watermelon has many seeds. Here please note the many. Many dash. Many means plural. Many means plural. So we write the seeds. Watermelon has many seeds. We write the plural. Seeds. Okay, next one. A dog has a dash. A dog has a. A means singular. A denotes the singular. So, we write the tail. A dog has a tail. Dog has a tail. A dog has a tail. Okay. Next one. I saw dash horse or horses and 2 duck or ducks. Here did not denote the number, singular or plural. So, here not denote the a or number. So, we write I saw a horses and 2 ducks. Okay. I saw horses and 2 ducks. Okay, all of you finish? Okay, next one, H. Circle the correct word in the brackets. The big box or boxes are kept in a room. A big box or boxes are kept in a room. Here please note the word are. Are is a auxiliary verb. Okay, all of you finish this work? Okay. Please note is, am, a. Is, am, are known as the auxiliary verbs. That's add with verbs. These auxiliary verbs are adds with the verbs. Okay. So, this is added with a singular noun. This am is added with I first place. This are is added with plural noun. Okay, is added with a singular noun. Am is added with I am. Okay, this are is added with the plural noun. Okay, yes, plural. Okay, these are the auxiliary verb. The first the big dash are kept in a room. Here the big dash are kept in a room. In a room. Kept in a room. Here please note the are auxiliary verb are. Please note the are. Here we can see the are. So we add the plural noun. Okay, plural noun. So we are the box or boxes? Boxes. Boxes. Okay. Next one, Seema scored 50 runs. 50 more than 1. 50 more than 1. 50 runs. Okay, Seema scored. Seema gained the 50 runs or run? Yes, runs. Second one, Seema score. C-O-R-E, score 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50 runs. R-U-N-S. 50 runs. More than 1. 50 more than 1 is, so we write the runs. Next one, the dash are in the sink. Dash are in the sink. Okay. The dash, the dishes. Dishes are in the sink. Okay, next one, I made wish. I made wish last night. Okay. Next one, fifth one, Grandpa bought. Grandpa bought 6. Please note the number 6. Bananas. Bananas. Next one, sixth one, how many bunches? How many bunches of grapes did he have? Okay, we finish the exercise H also. Okay, the big boxes are kept in a room. Seema scored 50 runs. The dishes are in the sink. I made wish last night. Grandpa bought 6 bananas. How many bunches of grapes did he have? Okay, all of you write on your notebook and textbook. Okay, students, all of you had understood the today's class. I hope all of you take care and thank you.